Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to make private calls on Android device. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your call dialer. After you open up your call dialer, go ahead and click on the setting icon right here. Then scroll down right here and make sure you look for carrier features. The next thing you want to do, if your phone is dual SIM phone, select a SIM you want to use. I'm going to use the SIM 1. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on additional settings right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on caller ID. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on ID number. Once you click on ID number, then you can call the person that you want to call as a private number. Once you call the person, it's going to appear to them as private number. They won't have access to your phone number when you make call to them. They won't know the number that is making call to them. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this about how to use your Android device, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.